cordless screwdriver, cordless impact driver, and drill kit from Bosch. It has two 2-amp batteries included. This is actually my first Bosch drill. Comes with a charger, which is rated at 7.2 to 12 volts, 2 amps. Okay, the impact driver, we got 2 bits, Phillips, and flathead screwdriver, user manual, and warranty. Nice carrying bag. They actually can stand on its own. Excellent. There is a 3-bar LED indicator for battery status. Speed settings, first and second gear. This is for driving in screws. The torque setting, 20. I would start at the first torque setting actually. Okay, and this is the impact driver, 12 volts. The battery pack is obviously removable. Looks pretty comparable to the Milwaukee ones. That's how you charge it. Let me plug it in and see if we got LED indicators. One comes with 1 bar left. This charger is probably rated at 20 watts. Okay, I'm going to connect it to my wall charger. Plug in. When it's charging, there's a green indicator. Impact driver. Let's see how the chuck works. Oh, looks like I have to pull out this ring, then fully insert it, so it will lock. It's unlike the DeWalt that actually can be done with one hand. It will shoot out and just insert with one hand. So the Bosch does require the ring to be pulled up to remove and pull out, insert to install. So that's the difference. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same. This is the 20 volts DeWalt, 12 volts Bosch, lithium ion 12 volts. Has a ring adapter here. I'm sorry, the ring flashlight. The flashlight is right here. Let me insert the battery. There is a flashlight. Computer, turn off the shop light. Let's see. Okay. The flashlight stays on for a few seconds after the trigger is released, and the impact driver, the light goes out as soon as the trigger is released. Alright, so that's the difference.